अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आप देख रहे हैं निज़ाम टीवी और मैं हूं सबात नान। यहाँ पर शामिल करते हैं न्यूज हेडलाइंस। कनाडा की सरजमीन पर बसने वाले मुसलमानों के लिए रूहानी सफर की एक معتبر पहचान, रोड फाइंडर टूर ऑपरेटर, एक नाम जो न सिर्फ खिदमत का वादा करता है बल्कि हर कदम पर एतमाद, सहूलत और अकीदत से भरपूर तजर्बा फराहम करता है। इस इदारे की रूरवा चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव नाहिद जाफर वो बाहिम्मत शख्सियत हैं जिन्होंने ज़ियारत, उम्रा और हज जैसे मुक़द्दस सफ़र को एक मुनज़्ज़म, महफूज और बावकार अंदाज में पेश करने का बेड़ा उठाया। आज हम आपको लेकर चलते हैं एक खसूसी नशिस्त की जानिब, जहां निज़ाम टीवी कनाडा के डायरेक्टर मियां आमिर रज़ाक ने नाहिद जाफर से एक दिलचस्प और बसीरत अफरोज़ गुफ्तगू की। इस गुफ्तगू में खिलते हैं कई नए पहलू, रोड फाइंडर की कामयाबियों से लेकर मुस्तकबिल के मंसूबों तक, और इन रूहानी लम्हात की झलकियां जो हज़ारों दिलों में बस चुकी हैं।
Hello, Madam Zaid, how are you? My Nizam TV, I am Mia Amir Razak, Director, Nizam TV. How are you?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How are you?
Good.
Thanks for coming.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
You please explain what your time in the travel agency.
Yes, well, actually, we have been in road finders about so many years, but we started our business just back home in Tehran as a tourism management company. And we started there, and actually, Turan has been active, as it was the name of Turan. It was active in coming to Iran. And then we just grew up with a team of experts. Excellent. And it turned to be a family business. And this way we could serve better to different communities. So we are just offering our services to Pakistan, Afghan, and other communities in providing Iran ziyarat groups and Umrah groups.
Wow.
Yeah,
and Bangladesh and Sri Lanka Muslim, all Muslim.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We do, and also in Canada we are acting as a courier with our courier service. And well, you know that our best selling destination is Iran.
Wow.
You know that, but we are also offering other services to Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Schengen visas that people
Wow.
want to go, and well, different countries based on their need. So, well, I think that
no, you are very nice people. I am to judgment, assessment. Other people, you are very nice in competent service your office.
That's very nice of you.
Well, thank you. Any people you contact me, please your contact number and your office address.
Sure. It would be great just to have new faces, new people. So you can easily reach us by our telephone number 416-858-7080. We are on WhatsApp, and even you can send us email to, because our company is roadfinders.com. You can send an email to info@roadfinders.com or roadfinders1@gmail.com. We are just there 24/7 to answer all your questions. Thank you.
Bundle of thanks. Madam Zaid is very great, very nice lady. I appreciate. I am Mia Amir Razak, Nizam TV, Director, Canada. Thank you.
What does it take to dream, to aspire, to be better every day? It takes vision to pave the way for a better future. It takes discipline to create synergy. And it takes courage to step into the light. To be a king.